Bitcoin has finally pumped to $73,000. And this is a crucial level where we have to see whether we want to be taking a short or whether we want to remain long. As I showed you in my last video, I was actually looking for lower targets from $68,000 to $50,000. I was walking you through how price action could have gone all the way down to below $70,000. All the way, I actually mentioned $60,000 at one point. And as you can see, we were chilling right here, and that is exactly what happened. We had to move all the way down below $60,000. And guess what I was doing at these levels? Well, first of all, I had a short from $93,200, which made me over $10,000. And you can see that I'm still holding this trade. And then what I did, I started buying in spot from 70,000, 68,000, 66,000, and then finally 62,000. So I bought this whole dip and I held this throughout this whole range until now, where as you can see, I actually sold about 20 to 25% of my spot position. And I will explain why here. So of course now all these entries are in profit. My average entry is probably around 66,000. I had one Bitcoin. So that made me over $6,000 of profit, by the way. And why is it that I'm potentially looking for a short trade here? Well, first of all, we've seen this pattern already a couple of times. Like for example, the short at $98,000 that I have called in one of my videos. Right here, this is the video where I gave the $98,000 target to then short all the way down to 60,000. And we simply had the series of highs right here. We could have seen this as a potential parallel channel. And guess what we did? We took the highs and then massive drop down below. We saw this again right here at 115. We had these highs, channel high. We take the high, above, below, and crash way more down. Then we saw it once again here at 79,000. High, low, take the high, crash back down. And guess what? We now have a series of these highs right here. We also have this high right here, which has been taken. So if we form some sort of failed auction right here, with the price closing back down here, I do think that we have the possibility of dropping back down towards those targets that I've been speaking about for quite a while now, which would be from 57,000 all the way down to 54,000. And do keep in mind, as I've been talking about, if we are to lose this area, then I would expect a movement all the way down to 35,000. So that is the reason why I am de-risking here and I'm selling some of my spot positions, not all of them, because I am very aware that if we start flipping these levels, we can see that move back, maybe even towards, 100,000. We'll cover that in a moment. But therefore, I'm not hurrying into any shorts. I did sell 25% of my spot, but again, we just have to trade the reaction. I still have not taken a short. We do have some reasons to take it already. If you want to be aggressive, you do have some longs opening up here, about 15 million, but I still think we could move a little bit higher to take the highs that we had right there on the 30 minutes. We could move higher to this anchor VWAP and then we could see that drop. If instead we don't reject here and we have the strength to flip this into support along with this anchor VWAP that we have at 75,000, I do think it is possible for Bitcoin to push all the way up to $83,000 to $86,000. And then if we reclaim there, we can start looking at 91, etc., etc. But I think it's a little bit too early. But do keep in mind that this can get bullish quite quickly because you do have a lot of shorts stuck down here, which can help the price moving up very quickly. So I think it is very easy to understand that I am still in spot here. I actually have Ethereum, I have Solana, I have Bitcoin, etc., etc. And I will be looking to short hedge all these positions if we get the correct reaction. And that can be either a very aggressive short trade. If, for example, we hit into this anchor VWAP, start closing some candles below, we get a lower time frame, change in market structure. You can take that trade with the stop loss above, and then you can try to take this all the way down to that 54,000 and potentially 35,000. If instead you want to be way more conservative, you can wait for the 4 hours candles to close below the levels. Or you can wait, for example, for a movement down back below 72,200. In that case, you would have something like this. Your entry will be much later, but at this point, you have a much higher likelihood of this trade working out. So it depends how you want to approach it. But as I said, I'm going to be patient for such a trigger to take that short trade. And if not, I'm not going to take any long trade, obviously, here. I'm just going to stay in my spot positions and let that run for higher prices, which will make me more profits. So I know this was very quick, but I just wanted to give you a very, very quick update. I do also want to show you one crazy trade that we took in the Discord. which you can find in the link below in this description. And it was this short on Pippin, which as you can see just played out perfectly. My entry was actually a little bit lower, 83.8. I had my stop loss at 92 cents. And from there we had a massive fall all the way to 31 cents now. And I'm actually looking for a bit lower at this point, unless we start reclaiming here. Then perhaps we could see, you know, like a nice bounce back above 50 cents. And then I do think it's possible we do something like this, because I'm looking at this as a third wave, fourth wave, down for the fifth, and that will complete our ABC, which is a very extended ABC. My initial target for an ABC was actually 32 cents, but this seems to be very, very weak. So I do think it's possible to go to 18 cents. And as you guys can see, I've actually made $5,000 off of this trade. I still have it open, 600%, $1,000 still open, 3,600 closed right there. And yeah, this is a 600%, 620% with 10x leverage. So if you want to get trades like this, you know where you can follow me, Discord, Instagram. Everything is free. So yeah, I'll see you inside if you want to join.